Hunyah Travels at EBM, and today I'm making traditional curry. What you need is some yogurt and some water and some spices and things like chili pepper, green chili, garlic, and coriander. First, I'm just gonna break the coriander into little pieces like this. That'll go into the blender. Just leave that there, and then the green chili like this, and the garlic, just remove the skin. And just remove the other skin of the garlic. Now this is ready to go into the blender. First, take 4 tablespoons of yogurt and add them into the blender. So this goes in here, 4 tablespoons, pretty much all of the yogurt. Add that in there and add in the herbs and spices. That is this. 1/2 cup of water. And now blend it. 4 tablespoons of chickpea flour into the mixture. So I'm just gonna add in like this, freestyle. So that should be it. Let's put that on the side. And now blend again. And some onions, some fried onions. Not too many. And add in 1 cup of water. And start heating up the pan. Add in a little bit of oil. Not too much, and let that cook. Let that cook, and you can see it's simmering. Some spices. So I'm gonna add in some turmeric, coriander, red chili powder. So these go in like this. Curry forming, that it's slowly coming together into a stew. So it's coming like this. Now have the pan on low heat, and now time to add in the snacks. That is this. This is some Play-Doh fritters. These are ready-made ones. So I'm just gonna put them into the stew. I'm just gonna mix them like this. That the Play-Doh fritters are in, and the curry is almost ready. The stew is ready. It's thick. It looks juicy and it looks pretty good. About the curry, so I'm just gonna take a bowl and just take it out, which you could see is like this. So this is ready now. Curry is ready. So now I'm just gonna make the salad. It's a really like an easy salad to make. It's a regular garden salad, but it has a lot of tomatoes and a lot of onions. First, I'm just going to take the tomatoes. I'm going to remove the tip and the end, and I'm just going to dice the tomatoes. So I'm doing small dice. We're just going to slice up the tomato. And then I'm just going to put that in here. Small onions. So I'm just going to remove the top and the end of it. Remove the skin. Just take from the top and take it like that. And I'm just going to dice it like this. So all of these are small onions, but you can see pieces, and the end from here and the end from there. And take this from the top, and then just dice it like this. And it's ready to go. And this is a super easy salad to make, just onions and tomatoes. So here you go. Here is the curry, which you can see traditional curry. And this is the easy garden salad. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels at EBM traditional curry and salad today. And watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.